Guys, Renee here. I would like to show you what's inside my organized Sophia Crossbody designer bag. So this bag I put together, I actually designed it, and I have to be honest, I did this because it's always been a struggle for me to keep my bag organized. And so I thought, why not have a system that can really help us all out? First off, you can see it's pretty spacious. It's got a bright interior, so you can see everything that's inside. In the back here, I have a deep zip pocket, which I keep masks for when I go out. And you can see there's a lot of room down in here. And if you turn it around, you can see that there is a signature key hook. This is way faster than a key leash. You just hook your keys there, and easy to find when you're out and about. Take those out. Then over here, this is all very custom to this bag. It's a eyeglass holder, so you can put your sunglasses, your readers, your prescription glasses, whatever. There's a place to put them in there. There's a fast access lip wear pocket for lipstick, lip gloss, chapstick, whatever you need. And then there's a specific pen pocket, so you always know where there's a pen. And what's nice is that your pen does not nick up the lining of your bag and get it dirty, because it's all contained right here. So if you accidentally left your cap off, you know that ink is going to be inside of this pocket. Not ideal, but definitely not the mess that you would have on the lining otherwise. So what else do we have in here? Well, we have this specific pocket designed to hold a mini wallet. And this mini wallet is designed into this system where just to hold your license and a couple credit cards, whatever you need. And it has RFID lining, so you don't have to worry about identity theft. That tucks really nicely in here. So if you're on the go and you don't want to bring a full-size wallet, you can just take these items. And if you want to add a full-size wallet, there's plenty of room in here. You can add a full-size wallet. It's just whatever makes sense for you. And then here, I carry this little Coach zip pocket or zip bag. What I like about it, it's older, but I like this flat bottom, and see how it stands up really nicely. So it can hold a decent amount of things. What do I have in here? I have this watermelon lotion, which smells lovely. I have a lip gloss. I have a compact. And I have another lipstick that I carry in there, which is really handy. And what's nice is that when you take that out, you can see that this flat bottom of this bag really shows like how spacious everything is. I also have in here Airpods. And then in the back, there's an exterior pocket. So if your bag is zipped up and you're walking around and your phone rings, you can just quickly access it right here. And there's a strong magnet to keep everything in place. And then it comes with this comfortable crossbody strap that's reversible, so you can wear it on the print side, or you can wear it on the solid side. But this is all full grain leather, super comfortable, high quality, and it's really helped me out staying organized. So check it out. And if you have any questions, leave in the comments below.